Sister! 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 Sister!
Did you want to do it again?
Sister, I have good news for you.
What good news?
Sister, Obina is not dead after all.
Eh?
Yes!
It's a lie.
Sister, it's not a lie. I saw him with my 2 physical eyes.
You mean Obina is alive?
Yes!
Where?
Where?
Doctor, can this boy leave this place?
Mr. Agaba,
No, doctor, I said, let him leave this place.
I understand you're very furious at this point, but
he must leave this place. I said leave this place.
Doctor, I was just trying
I said let him leave this place.
Mr.
Doctor, I do something stupid.
I want you to...
Doctor,
let him come.
I said go outside now!
For the sake of peace, please.
Leave.
Don't worry. Mr. Agaba, I understand you're very temperamental at this point. But you understand this is a public place. You just have to calm down. Okay? Say please. You see, Mr. Agaba, I understand your temperament at this point, but then you just have to understand that this is a public place. You don't have to create an ugly scene that would involve the security. Please, just be very, very careful with your anger, not to incur some situations, okay?
I understand your anger, but you overreacted, Gebeziogo. How can you go to the hospital and start making issues with him over damaged property? Eh? Let him go. God will fight for you. Allow him.
Oh, wait, Piccolo, I don't understand you. Are you here to console me or did you come to put blames on me?
I'm sorry, but sometimes the truth has to be told. I've told you, put all these things behind and move on.
Listen. What I did at this hospital is just a little thing compared to what I have in mind. I will give him heat. When I say heat, real heat until he pays for everything he destroyed in this house.
Obina. So you are alive? Hey! God, I thank you. Hey. Hi, God, I thank you. Hey, look at you. God, I thank you.
Mr. Agaba, the injury sustained from the gunshot is quite critical. I'm sorry, but she might be paralyzed.
Pagini?
Critically paralyzed. Or let me put it in a terms you understand. She might not be able to move her joints, her hands, her legs, nor any other part of her body except from the neck to the head.
Hi!
Agaba, you have to take heart. You have to be a man to console her. She needs you more now than ever. My daughter Ike, you have to be strong. Being paralyzed is not the end of life. Thank God it was even a miracle that you survived a gunshot, which many didn't. God knows the best. In every situation, we must be grateful and give him all the praise.
Amadi has said it all. You all need to be strong. Oh no. She needs your support, not only emotionally, but also physical. As she cannot even stand, nor raise her hands you have to always be there for her. You have to be close to her, just like a mother to a toddler. It is well.
Dalunu, thank you. Thank you for your concern.
We will have to leave now.
Adema.
I'm so happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too. I'm sorry for putting you through this. It's all my fault.
It's not your fault. It is our fate. It's our sacrifice for the love we share.
How have you been coping?
Huh? My father has been very supportive. He feeds me. Bathes me. He's been trying.
I just wish he could allow me to do all of this. It's my responsibility. It's considering the fact that this is all my fault.
I'm sure that he'll come around soon.
I can't wait. I just can't wait to take care of you.
He'll come around soon. I know he's still very angry, but I just believe that he'll see reason soon.
You are here. You! No! No! Please!
Don't go there. Calm down before you commit something extraordinary, extrajudiciary. Why would you do that? How are you?
See, this place is scary now. See bush. Me, I'm tired though. What is it? See, I'm tired. I don't believe in all these diabolic things. I don't believe in this. There are better ways to get OB instead of going to a native doctor. This place is scary. We've been, for how long now? We've been walking. Okay, what are you scared of here? This is just normal bush. What do you mean? Ma, let's go. Nkechi! Nkechi, come back now. Why are you behaving like this now? I was just being scared. You know how that place was looking scary now. I'm sorry. But now, see, I've made up my mind. I want to do everything to make sure I get OB now for myself. So anything you want now, I will do it.
See, Nkechi, let me tell you now. Not that when we get close to the native doctor's place, you will tell me that you are not going again.
I've made up my mind to go with you. But I think tomorrow will be better.
Tomorrow?
Yes, there's no need going today again.
Not the one you get to your house now, you change your mind.
I've not changed my mind. See, I want to do everything to make sure Obina is mine. I don't know why Obina is behaving like this. I don't know why he's trying to frustrate me. See, it's not as if Obina does not love me. You understand? Obina loves me so much, but that stupid girl called Nkem, she has used a charm on him. She's using witchcraft.
I told you now.
That's why Obina does not know what he's doing. Right now, Obina is under a spell.
Don't worry, it's okay.
So, I need to do something that will bring him back. You understand?
Don't worry now. See, tomorrow by the time we get to Gwaja's place, you will see that everything will be settled. Obina is yours and yours forever.
Yes, he has to be mine. I'm mine alone.
Don't you trust me again?
I trust you, my friend.
Calm down, relax. Obina is yours, But don't go and change your mind, because what you did just now actually got me angry. Don't go and change your mind.
I cannot change my mind. You don't know how I want Obina for myself. I cannot.
Love.
I'm not changing my mind.
Obina. Don't
he
worry.
Will come back. If you finish that nonsense, do it in Kim. He will come
He
back.
will.
Don't mind him.
Don't worry now. I will help you. We come back. Just relax.
This is so beautiful.
You like it?
I love it. Thank you, babe.
I made it specially for you.
Oh, you are the best.
And you are my world. I'll do anything for you. Anything.
I love you.
I love you too. That reminds me. Why don't we just go to your pepper soup joint so that we can have...
Right? You know what? This portrait
Yes?
is actually what?
Celebrate it.
Oh, you know what I wanted to say? Oh, I am just going to hang this on my wall. No.
Uh-oh.
Papa, he's going to know it came from you.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
In poverty and posterity.
In poverty and posterity.
In laughter and in tears.
In laughter and in tears.
We will never defile our bodies with any other man and woman.
We will never defile our bodies with any other man or woman.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together.
Obina. How long are you going to continue to live like this? Obina.
How long have you been here?
Long enough to realize that you've been eating yourself up every day. Obina, you've been eating yourself up every day. Obina, do you want to kill yourself because of Game's misfortune?
Her misfortune is also mine.
Obina, that is not enough reason for you to shatter your life all of a sudden. It has happened and there's nothing you can do to change it. Even the doctors have no solution to it. Obinna, put everything behind and move on. Do you want to kill yourself because of all these things? You are a man. Put yourself together.
You don't understand. You can never understand. You have no idea the yoke of guilt heaped on my conscience, knowing full well that I am responsible for our predicament. Piccolo, you can never understand.
Obinna, it's an unfortunate circumstance that occurred. But neither you nor her father wants to give up. Obinna, I don't understand. Put yourself together. You are a man. Why all these things? Now. What is all this? You want to kill yourself because of Nkem? Why? Put everything behind and move on.
Alright. I heard you.
Ah, now you come. Bye, my man. Okay, you need to go and prepare now, eh? Customers will be waiting for you in your shop. So stand up. Bineni budike. Bineni budike. Bineni budike. Iveja maradike. Bineni budike. Obai bineni budike. Bineni budike. Iveja maradike.
Hey! Akwani karaka na-ebu ogidi nke na-ebu ogidi agbakọ ya olu. Ọtakịrị bule nna ya elu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayo tie ya anya. Anya kpọrọ dike ahụkwa n'ọrịa ma ọwụ na dike hụjuru anya ya. Hey! Ogidi.
Repeat what you said to me, young woman.
I want Obinna to be mine and mine alone. Whoever tries to come in between us should be struck to death by Obuaja.
Obuaja! Wokike. Obuaja granted your request. But you must be aware of the consequences if the bond is broken.
It's okay. Don't be afraid, eh? Everything is in control. Just calm down.
Obuaja! Okito Obuaja.
Hey!
Now you go with this. Rub it on your face in the morning and make sure he's the one that sees you first before any other person. Now remember, if you do otherwise, the consequences will come upon you. Now take it.
Thank you.
Hey! Obuaja Wokike. Imekwa kisi eme.
Nkechi, hope you remember what Ogwaja said.
Yes, no, I remember everything. He said I should.
Shh. Don't say it out. You know the word I have in me. So just recite it in your mind. Please don't say it out.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'll give you feedback tomorrow.
It's okay. No, you just have to come and be going now, so that my mother will not see you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Don't be nice, folks.
Thank you.
It's okay. Don't worry. Fine girl. Okay.
Adanya, the food is ready.
I am not hungry, Papa.
Why? You've not eaten anything since morning. You want to starve yourself to death. You must eat something.
Food is not my problem.
See. You must eat. Don't allow anything to stand in between you and happiness. Always strive to be happy. Happiness is your right. Don't allow anybody to deprive you of it. Because if you do, PP.
Happiness? You talk about happiness when you have stolen my happiness by always chasing Obinna very far away from me. Papa, if you want me to be happy, give me back what you've stolen from me. My happiness, my joy, my everything lies with Obinna.
See, Nkem, must we always fall back on this?
Yes, we must.
I've told you to forget about this boy Obinna. Forge ahead with your life. Forget about him. Think about things that will add value to your life.
There is absolutely nothing more valuable than Obinna to me. Papa, it is this same issue that has put me in this condition. Yet, you have not learned to give up. Can't you see? Can't you see that Obinna and I are meant to be together? Can't you?
See, Kendlim, let's end it here, please. I don't want us to keep repeating this over and over, like sounding like a broken record. Please, if you don't like this food, let me make another food for you. You must eat.
I'm not hungry.
Okay, even if I can go.
I am not hungry.
Agaba, you see, you and I have been friends for too long that it would be absolutely wrong, in fact uncalled for me to see you doing something that is not good. And I will sit back and watch it go that way. No. You see, I came in respect of your daughter's relationship with that young man, Obinna. Yes, Obinna may not be the best suitor for your daughter. But you know as well as I do that they love each other. Your daughter loves Obinna so much, and Obinna loves her. I say this considering all that has happened all this while. Yet they still stick together like smoke and fire. They are inseparable, no matter how you look at it. You see, I will advise you to let this couple get married. In fact, let them get married as soon as possible, so that you will remove this burden of caring for her from yourself. She is totally incapacitated, and you are taking the burden upon yourself, caring for her. Listen, Obinna loves her in this her condition. He is ready to lift this burden off your shoulders. Now let me tell you, not every man would want such a burden as a wife. Yes. Men of nowadays don't want liabilities for a wife. No. They don't. So, why don't you let them get married? Agaba, take my advice. Make hay while the sun shines. Stop being stubborn. Stop being unnecessarily stubborn. Eh? Please. I will take my leave now.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Even if the sky is falling.
You have mind, you. So now you're no longer afraid of my father. What if he had caught you in my room?
Who says? I was at your gate waiting for him to come out. The moment he left, I ran in. I miss you.
I miss you too. How have you been?
Well, been fine. People keep coming to my shop.
No. There is no need for that. No need for all this. Eh? I would want to have a talk with you. Eh? Don't worry, just come down. Talk man to man. Eh? Just wait for me. My son, I've thought about our differences, and I've come to the realization that should we continue to extend this further, it will do us more harm than good. I've also realized that both of you are truly in love, and nothing can stop the passion you have for each other. Not even me. Therefore, since it is destined by God that both of you will be together, I'll give you my consent. Oh yes.
Thank you, sir. No. Thank you.
Get up, my son. Get up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Get up. There is nothing I can do that will stop.
Thank you.
We love your vision. Don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You see, there is nothing one can do to stop the moving train.
The moment you
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing here this early morning?
Oh, I came to collect money from Obina for the work I did for him in his farm.
This early morning?
Yes, you know, he's always busy. He leaves home very early every day. So I have to track him very early and to collect my money. So... Nkechi! Obina, I love you. Obina, I love you. Obina! Obina, I love you. Obina, come on! I love you, Obina!
Wow, this is beautiful. This is exactly what I'm looking for.
There.
Hello, young man. Hello? Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, young man. How are you? I'm fine, sir. Is there anything I can do for you, sir? Are you the one who crafted this beautiful piece of art? Yes. That's what I do for a living, sir. You did this one? Yes. And I did this one too. I'm still here to complete this one. Oh, I see. Are you sure you're the one that did it? Chairman, I did it. Are you sure? I'm sure. This is my hard work. I did it. This is beautiful. I still have more inside. I don't know if you want me to. Oh, really? Yes, I see. Don't worry, don't worry. You know, what I've seen is enough. This is beautiful. Okay. Well, anyways, my name is Tony. Okay. Yeah, so this is my card. Make sure you call me. Oga Tony. I'll call you, sir. Don't forget to call. I will never forget, sir. I'll never forget. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I love you.
Nkechi, please.
I love you.
Please now. You can't love me. I am your cousin brother. This is Thomas, your cousin brother. You cannot love me.
Obina.
I am not Obina.
Obina.
This is Thomas.
Obina.
Hey,
Obina, I love you. I love you.
Nkechi, wait.
I love you.
Calm down.
I love you.
Nkechi,
I love you.
Nkechi, stop this! Stop this!
Obin,
Hey!
Nkechi,
wait.
Obin, I love you.
No.
Hey! You're not going anywhere. Obin, I love you. Obin, I
Somebody
love
help!
you. Obin, I love you. I love you.
Okay,
I
let's
love you. I love you. I love you. No, tell me you love me too. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Yes.
I love you.
I know.
I love you.
Yes.
I love you. 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 I love you.
Yes.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
You can't love me.
I love you.
Okay. I love you too.
I love you.
I love you too, eh?
I love you.
Yeah, hold on. Let me adjust my belt.
Nah, Guru, eh?
If you see what that girl did to me today again, if you see the stress I went through because of that girl, Nkechi, in fact, the girl was chasing me almost all over the village. In fact, as I am sitting right here, I am out of energy. Totally out of energy. I told you. Shibi, I told you. That girl is really going insane. In fact, she's insane. Yes. Since you are the cousin, it's high time you look for a way and take good care of her. You as a man, you need to stand and do this thing. Do this thing for her. If it's winch doctor or even medical doctor, anywhere that she will go and get better. Because if you allow her, hey, Nkechi banya na, chai, bamba, or cannot be. But if you allow her get to worst or nazie, hey now. But wait, is her father aware of this? We have discussed. Then what did he say about it? We already talked. We have discussed. I think I know what to do. I have to call Emeka, the brother, in the city.
Okay.
And then we'll know the next line of action.
Okay.
Yes.
You know why I'm asking?
This is not the matter of knowing what to do. It's not the matter of knowing what to do. Anything you have in your head that you want to do, you share with me.
Blessing. Please come. Why didn't you record yesterday's sales?
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot.
I've told you that at the end of the day, you ensure you record each day's sales. Okay. I don't want confusion at all. Have you collected money from those guys? Ensure you collect my money from them. I don't have strength to fight anybody today. Alright, go finish up with what you're doing. Hello, Thomas. What's up?
Nah, all is not well. As I speak with you, Nkechi is running mad in the village.
Nkechi? What's wrong with Nkechi again?
If not that we are relatives, I won't be doing this. So I advise you leave whatever thing you are doing in the city and come to the village now.
Alright, I'll be there soon.
Emeka, I said start coming to the village now.
Blessing! Alright, take care of the shop. I'm going out. Okay. Ensure you take care of the shop, alright? Okay. Please, I'll be back. Just take that inside. Take this too. Take this.
How is it?
What other meal can taste better than the one prepared by my future husband?
Thanks for the compliment, sweetheart.
You're welcome. Obi.
Yes, love.
I am so happy that my father has finally given his consent. Don't know how happy I am.
You see, my lover, what else can we say?
It's just a dream come true.
Honestly, honestly.
I just can't wait for things to work out better. So I can officially bring you home as my wife.
I can't wait! I can't wait, Toby.
That reminds me. I have good news for you. Guess.
Really?
Guess.
Spill it already. My ears are itching.
Guess. Guess. Alright, I'll just save you the stress. Last week a man walked into my shop and then he was appreciating on my work. He kind of looked very wealthy. And then he told me that he would like to help me. And then he told me that there is this Lebanese company that he's working for and they might need some artwork to fill up the whole place. And I said, okay, only for him to call me yesterday that they have approved it. And guess what? They will be paying us in dollars. Dollars. Oh my God! Honey,
This is good news!
it is good news. So very soon.
Oh, I just want to jump on you right now!
I know. Thank God.
Being
Yes, love.
everything is just turning around for our good all of a sudden.
Okay, I promise you, as soon as I receive my first payment, I'll fly you abroad for surgery. You will walk again. You will. So, back to the food. Please. Please. It's alright. I love you. You did for me. Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Guess what?
Boss, I don't know what to say.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you. We finally won the contract.
Oh my goodness.
35 million naira. Come on, congratulations, man. Congratulations.
Thank
Oh,
you.
no, get
Thank
up.
you, thank
No,
you,
no.
35 million.
Come on, just get up.
Thank you, boss.
It's not me. Let's thank God.
Boss, you're my God.
No, come on, don't say that.
15 million naira.
Don't worry. No, I know in due time we're going to strike more deals together.
More deals?
Sure.
Come on, no.
Thank you, boss.
That's okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Thank you, boss.